Hello my dear cuties, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to learn about letter G, the sound of letter G and few words that starts with letter G. This is a capital G, a capital G. This is a small g, a small g. The sound of letter G is G. The sound of letter G is G. So come, let's see few words that starts with letter G. G for goat. G, G, goat. G for goat. G for girl. G, G, girl. G for girl. G for grapes. G, G, grapes. G for grapes. G for gorilla. G, G, gorilla. G for gorilla. G for gun. G, G, gun. G for gun. G for glass. G, G, glass. G for glass. G for gate. G, G, gate. G for gate. G for gift. G, G, gift. G for gift. G for gloves. G, G, gloves. G for gloves. G for grass. G, G, grass. G for grass. Now come, let's see it again. G for G, G, goat. G for G, G, girl. G for G, G, grapes. G for G, G, gorilla. G for G, G, gun. G for G, G, glass. G for G, G, gate. G for G, G, gift. G for G, G, gloves. G for G, G, grass. If you like this video, please click on to the like button and share button. Please do subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.